Hey friends, it's Lindo Boucher here, and today we're going to be deep conditioning a human hair wig. So I went out last night. I've been using this wig for about, I'd say 2 weeks now, consistently. Let me take this clip off. And yeah, first you want to make sure that there's no accessories in the hair. As I was saying, I went out last night, sweated, danced. I was around some smokers, so I've also got, some smoke left on my wig. It smells a little bit like cigarettes. Overall, it's just nasty, and I want to wash it and deep condition it. I'm using a flat panel brush to just kind of brush out the hair, take out any knots. I know some people like to brush after washing. Personally, I think that's a no-no. I don't really like to brush wet hair because I think it stretches it and breaks it unnecessarily. I have this Tresemme shampoo for color treated hair. This hair is black, it's not color treated at all, but it will work just fine. I've taken a plastic and I have tied it on top of my wig head so that I don't damage the wig head. And yeah, I'm gonna put my wig on top of this and then we're gonna deep condition. We need to make sure we deep condition the roots and not the top of the wig, otherwise that makes the hair too slick and you'll have a lot of shedding. What I'll be applying to the hair now is this deep smoothing mask, Keratin Smooth, with marula oil to basically deep condition this hair. I would only use this maybe once a month. This is not something that you need to use every single wash. Maybe every 4 washes or 5 washes is okay. Let me just open it so I can show you guys. You literally only need this for 5 minutes. Otherwise, if you want to use a regular deep conditioner, you can do that. Put a blow dryer to the hair for literally like 15 seconds. Just a little bit of heat, not a lot. Look at that shine. I promise you it already feels silky to the touch. I just need to dry it now and I'll show you guys the dried hair tomorrow. I just like to leave it to air dry.